started this night. If you're just now joining me, I started this journey at 100, no. And so far I have lost 140, no. Come on, Atrieve. Good morning, day 12, and welcome to my channel. I'm really excited about today. If you're just now joining me, I started at 191.6 pounds, and my goal is to get down to 171 pounds. That's about 13% body fat, and that's what I want to do. Now, the biggest reason for this is I've been stuck for 2 years at over 195 pounds. And I did get myself down to the 191.6 pounds, but with your help and your encouragement, your motivation, and my willingness to put myself out there, I am now held liable. I now have my accountability that I've been looking for. So come along with me on this journey as I strive to lose 20 pounds for the first time in 2 years. Before I forget, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel as well. That helps me out a ton. So let's get into this. All right, I made it to work. Looking forward to a good day. This morning, I weighed 187.4. So that's the lowest I've been so far. I'm super thrilled. Athletic keeps telling me I need to rest and recover though. I'm not 100% sure why. You know, I think my body's still getting used to this whole fitness thing and healthy food thing. So I'm just gonna take it day by day and keep eating right and hope that I do lose this weight. I'm trying to beat that 80-day mark, but I have a feeling that 80 days is probably a realistic goal for that 20 pounds. By the end of all this, we'll see how it went and what was good and what was bad, and maybe through all this, you guys will have a better game plan than I did. So I ended up today getting a really good workout in, and even though Athletic did say to take it a little lighter today because I'm still trying to get it to a certain point of recovery, it was about 76% recovery. So what I ended up doing is deciding to lift because I've been taking a lot of rest days. I did yoga yesterday and I wanted to get to a point where I could lift again. So some of the tools I'm using currently is I'm using a food scale to weigh all my food, and I'm using the app Cronometer, which I'll show you right here, a brief little visual of what that looks like to track your food. But I'll also have a link down in the description for you guys to check out the app and download it for yourselves. Another thing I've been doing, and I actually had somebody ask me this, is how much water I'm intaking. I do about a gallon of water a day, and I track that with Waterminder. I can do that straight from my watch, and I'll show you this real quick. You can actually see right here how easy it is to track on your watch. And then I can also track it on my phone. There's a phone app for this as well. Right now I am weighing on a daily basis, but as far as taping and measuring body fat, I do that every Saturday. So tomorrow I will end up measuring that, and just to get an idea of how much I've lost, to give me a little bit more encouragement, because sometimes the scale doesn't always change, but your body fat changes. The way clothes fits on your body just changes, and it's really encouraging to see the difference in how your body is shaped versus the scale not shifting so much. So as I've said consistently throughout these videos, consistency is key. This is the one thing I've learned the most, is just stay consistent, stay moving forward. And yes, you're gonna make mistakes, and that's okay. Honestly, I've made a few mistakes along the way. Having the pizza I did, eating too many carbs on certain days is not so good. Just keep moving forward, stay consistent. As far as challenges are concerned, obviously Athletic is sensing my sleep is not so good and my recovery isn't 100%. So I will be focusing a little bit more on my recovery, making sure I do some more breathing, doing more stretching, maybe include more yoga throughout my routine, just continuing to listen to my body. That is going to be very important. So like always, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching my video, for making it this far if you have. Hit the like button below for me if you haven't already, and subscribe to my channel because I have a lot more videos coming. I have quite a few reviews that I'll be posting soon. I definitely take a lot of encouragement from you guys. So thank you so much and have a great night.